This is Lorenzo. He's in charge of the crew that's doing our landscaping, and he just brought 20 palms, 20 palm trees. Right, Lorenzo? See? See. Yeah. I planted some banana trees, but they don't look too good. And then I have 2 different boys from Herconcitos that are still moving the rocks. It's a rough job. And they're working for $10 a day each. And I don't like Lorenzo's price, though. His price is kind of high. And they're planting this Monet over here. It takes a long time, and we have to water it a lot for about 10 days. And I got some flower bushes growing here, and then I have bougainvilleas at the house. So we're moving along.